Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track your Walmart order. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, your account, and we have, of course, your shopping cart. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and track your Walmart order. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, to track your Walmart order, you need to go and log into your account as I told you, and then go to your account in the top right corner. So you will have it here, this button. Then you need to go and select your purchase history. And after selecting your purchase history, you need to go and find the order that you, of course, want to go and track. After you have found the order that you would like to track, you need to go and click on Track Shipment. When you click there, immediately you will see where your order is at the very moment. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.